Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to create a landscape image on Leonardo AI. So if you have been having difficulty in creating a landscape image on Leonardo AI, what you have to do is simple. The first thing you have to do is just to choose all the model and style of your choice. Then scroll down to the image dimension size and click on 16 by 9. This is the landscape portion. If you're looking for a portrait portion or TikTok or YouTube short portion, you can click on the custom option and scroll down and choose any of the options of your choice. You can click on TikTok, which is 9 by 16. You can see it has adjusted to fit it, but since it's landscape you want, you have to just click 16 by 9. So if you've enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below, and if you are facing any challenge, please let me know. Thank you very much and do have a great day.